Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access broken screen phone on PC. First thing first, download and install AnyViewer from the official website at anyviewer.com. Launch the app after you download it and sign up for a free account. You'll find the login screen like this. Now inside AnyViewer on your PC, go to the Device section. Select your computer name and choose Mobile Screen Mirroring. A QR code will be generated on your PC screen. Now, if you can, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and download and install AnyViewer mobile app. Log in using the same account as your PC, then tap Start on the app homepage. Tap the scan icon at the top right corner, then scan the QR code from your PC screen. Then tap Start Now when prompted. And now, your Android screen will appear on your PC. You can view and control your phone directly, which is helpful if the screen is broken but responsive. Ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for the best experience, and if your screen is non-responsive, you'll need a USB debugging or a hardware repair to proceed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Let me know in the comments below if you need any help. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.